What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to The Honest Explorer. Today we're diving deep into a brand new contender. It's stepping into the OLED arena. And trust me, this one is looking to absolutely dominate. We're talking about the Samsung S95F. This is Samsung's 2025 QD-OLED TV. It's promising premium picture quality, a mind-blowing feature set, all without completely obliterating your wallet. Is the Samsung S95F truly the OLED value king we've been waiting for? Is it going to be your next living room centerpiece? Before we dive deep, a quick but crucial detail. You can find links to the absolute best deals on the Samsung S95F right there in the video description below. Seriously, if you're even thinking about this TV, go check those links out right after this video. They are updated constantly. All right, let's get down to the absolute core, the picture quality. And believe me, the S95F does not disappoint. As mentioned earlier, it's a QD-OLED panel. This means each of those millions of pixels can individually turn on and off, delivering perfect absolute black levels. Observe that contrast. It's truly breathtaking. The depth and dimensionality this brings to the image are simply unmatched. By traditional LED TVs, this is self-illuminating pixels at their finest, enhanced by quantum dots. Now here's where the S95F truly shines. It exclusively features Samsung's cutting-edge quantum dot OLED panel. QD-OLED uses blue OLED emitters. These shine through quantum dots, which then convert that blue light into incredibly pure, intense, and vibrant reds and greens. This delivers not only those signature deep blacks and excellent contrast, but also an incredibly wide color volume. The S95F boasts powerful brightness levels for an OLED, thanks to OLED HDR+. Samsung calls it OLED HDR+. It dynamically analyzes each scene and intelligently boosts brightness to illuminate even the smallest details. We observed it in a moderately lit room, and it held up beautifully. The S95F supports HDR10, HLG, and HDR10+ adaptive gaming. The dynamic metadata of HDR10+ adaptive, it truly optimizes the HDR performance, scene by scene, bringing out incredible detail in both the highlights and the shadows. It's worth noting there's no Dolby Vision support, but the HDR10+ performance here is still absolutely excellent. Thanks to OLED HDR+, you'll see nuanced details. Samsung is legendary for its vibrant, punchy colors, and the S95F absolutely delivers. With Perceptional Color Mapping and Color Booster Pro, colors look rich, they look saturated, and they look incredibly accurate, offering Pantone-validated color. Not all content is in glorious native 4K. That's where Samsung's brilliant NQ4 AI Gen3 processor comes into play. This processor uses advanced AI-powered upscaling, called 4K AI Upscaling Pro. It intelligently enhances lower-resolution content, adding detail, and reducing noise. It transforms everything on screen to impressive 4K resolution for fast-paced action. Smooth motion is absolutely crucial. The S95F handles motion with exceptional control. Thanks to Motion Accelerator 144Hz and AI Motion Enhancer Pro, minimal judder was observed, and almost no blur, even in the most demanding scenes. The AI Motion Enhancer Pro sharpens and smooths out the motion of fast-moving balls and text. OLED technology inherently offers wide viewing angles, and the S95F, with its ultra viewing angle technology, is no exception. The picture quality remains consistent, even when multiple viewers are watching from different spots. Plus, it has an anti-glare screen, meaning fewer distractions from reflections. Gamers prepare to be thrilled. The Samsung S95F is an absolute beast. When it comes to gaming features, we're talking about a jaw-dropping native 144Hz refresh rate on all four HDMI 2.1 ports. That means unbelievably smooth and responsive gameplay, especially for PC gamers, and those with the latest generation consoles. With 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, you can connect your PS5, your Xbox Series X, and a high-end gaming PC, all at their absolute maximum potential. That's 4K at 120 Hz on consoles, or up to 4K at 144 Hz on PC. It's truly future-proof gaming. The S95F boasts near imperceptible input lag in game mode. We're talking milliseconds here. This translates to a super responsive and incredibly competitive gaming experience. The S95F supports both AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and HDMI 2.1 VRR. These technologies dynamically adjust the refresh rate of the TV to precisely match the output of your gaming device. No more screen tearing, no more frustrating stuttering, just a much smoother and far more enjoyable gaming experience. Samsung's intuitive gaming hub is also seamlessly integrated. This provides direct access to cloud gaming services, like Xbox Game Pass and NVIDIA GeForce Now, all without needing a console. This is a fantastic way to try out new games or jump into your favorites instantly. You also get Samsung's Game Bar. This dedicated on-screen menu gives quick access to critical gaming settings, like refresh rate, input lag status, and VRR on-off. Let's pivot to the smart side of things. The Samsung S95F runs on the very latest iteration of Tizen OS, and it feels snappier, more responsive, and more intuitive than ever before. The home screen is clean. It's customizable, giving lightning-fast access to your favorite streaming apps, your connected devices, and all your settings. You can even create separate profiles for each member of your household, getting suggested shows and movies, curated just for you. Every major streaming service imaginable is here. Navigation through the menus is silky smooth, and launching apps is practically instant. Plus, Samsung is committed to up to 7 years of OS updates, ensuring access to the latest apps and services. The S95F has built-in support for both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. You get both. Simple voice commands can control the TV, search for specific content, and even control other smart home devices seamlessly via SmartThings integration. You can even use universal gestures via your Galaxy Watch to control the TV. The S95F uses Samsung Vision AI. Cutting-edge features include click to search. This allows you to highlight an object on the screen and instantly search for related information. And there's also Live Translate, which can provide real-time subtitles in a different language for live broadcasts. Plus, AI customization mode lets you tailor your viewing experience. And Auto HDR Remastering Pro intelligently transforms SDR content scene by scene to HDR-like quality. It's truly dazzling picture. The Samsung S95F features a 2.1-channel audio system with a respectable 70 watts of power. While the built-in speakers are decent, they provide remarkably clear dialogue, especially with Active Voice Amplifier Pro and Adaptive Sound Pro. It even features virtual top-channel Dolby Atmos, giving you that multidimensional, theatrical sound. That puts you right at the center of the action. However, for serious movies and games, we highly recommend pairing the S95F with a good Samsung soundbar, especially one that supports Q-Symphony. This feature allows the TV speakers and soundbar to work together in perfect harmony, enhancing the audio experience even further. Let's quickly touch upon connectivity. It's absolutely crucial for your entire home entertainment setup. On the back of the S95F, you'll find a really solid selection of ports, 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, essential for your latest gaming consoles and high-bandwidth devices, USB ports for external storage devices or peripherals, an Ethernet port for a rock-solid, stable wired internet connection, an optical digital audio output for older audio systems, and your standard antenna or cable input. You also get built-in Wi-Fi 5 for super fast wireless networking, and Bluetooth 5.3, allowing seamless connection to wireless headphones. Samsung has consistently delivered on the design front. Their TVs boast a sleek, modern, and minimalist design, and the S95F, absolutely no exception. The bezels are incredibly almost non-existent. This truly makes the picture the undisputed star of the show. It's a minimalist aesthetic, a laser slim design. It will seamlessly blend into pretty much any living space you can imagine. It just disappears. The stand feels incredibly robust. It provides fantastic, wobble-free support. And the overall build quality? It just screams premium. Exactly what's expected from a Samsung display. There's no flimsy feel here. No cheap plastic vibes whatsoever. All right, the Samsung S95F has been thoroughly tested. The big question remains, is it worth your hard-earned money? Let's do a quick recap of the pros. Stunning QD-OLED picture quality. Perfect blacks, incredible contrast, and vibrant, Pantone validated colors with wide color volume. Excellent brightness for an OLED. Handles brighter rooms surprisingly well with OLED HDR+. Fantastic gaming features, 144Hz refresh rate, near zero input lag, VRR support, FreeSync Premium Pro, and the gaming hub across all 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. Snappy and feature-rich Tizen Smart TV platform, intuitive, fast, and constantly updated with advanced AI features like Samsung Vision AI. Sleek and modern laser slim design looks amazing with anti-glare tech. Powerful 70-watt, 2.1-channel audio system with virtual Dolby Atmos. Now for the cons. No Dolby Vision support. a potential sticking point for some hardcore movie buffs. Built-in audio, while improved, is still best complemented by a soundbar, especially with Q-Symphony. So what are your thoughts on the Samsung S95F? Are you considering this stunning display for your home? Let us know all your thoughts and any questions you have right there in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. And consider subscribing for more in-depth tech reviews and cutting-edge comparisons. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss a single upload. And remember this, all the best, up-to-date deals on the Samsung S95F are linked in the video description. Go check them out. Thank you for watching. Please do check out other videos on our channel for TV comparisons. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech-savvy, and keep exploring.